Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification button so you'll be notified every time your girl posts anything and all things hair related. So in today's video, what I'll be doing is pretty much a quick little run through of how I do my glueless install, and thanks to the clips and band in the wig from Beauty Forever, I have successfully done my glueless install with no glue. Secondly, I will show y'all how I straighten this hair, get it bone straight, nice and silky straight. And I also give y'all a little tip that I learned from Arrogante as it relates to lace tinting. So just keep on watching if you guys would like to see how to get like a nice gorgeous blended lace. I really think my lace is blended to the gods right now, so I don't know if I'm tooting my own horn or what, but this lace is blended, okay hunty? So apart from that, that's just all I showed. I'm gonna just tell you all the specs and then we'll get into the video. So this is Beauty Forever's 13x6, as you can see. They're 13x6 transparent lace wig. So the lace originally looked like that in the beginning, and I have some foundation on it, as you can see, which I use to tint the lace to match my forehead and skin tone, of course. And it is also 180 density. It is 24 inches, which goes pretty much to my waist, like the beginning of my hip bone, and I love it so much. The links for this wig and all their other textures will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase. So would I recommend this wig? I most definitely would, for anybody of a lighter skin complexion and even my skin complexion, because this lace takes easy to a tint. So that's that on that, and let's just jump into the rest of the installation process. Isn't gonna be too crazy or anything y'all aren't familiar with. Right now I'm just cutting off the lace, and this is transparent lace. So as you can see, it like blends in with your skin tone, but once you put like, it blends in with a lighter skin tone, at least for me, like what I've observed. And this is good for those, you know, people with lighter colored skin who would like to get some lace instead of using like regular Swiss lace or dark brown lace. The transparent lace would be best to use. So if you are of a lighter skin complexion, Beauty Forever is the way to go for your lace. As you can see, half of it is like brown and half of it is transparent, and where the brown part is, it blends better with my skin tone than the transparent. So I did have to do a bit of tinting, and that was just with like a cream to powder foundation. It was pretty easy to do. And now what I am going to do is just go ahead and do my baby hairs. I know the lace is already plucked, as you can see from like how I'm holding it and showing you. I did a nice thorough plucking with this wig, so love that for her. I'm gonna go in with this, which has got to be glue gel. Y'all know the drill, y'all know the tea. The black one, the tube is busted. And what I am going to do is, since I have pulled out hairs already, just form the baby hairs I want, cut them down, blow dry them, and just continue the whole process on everything. So what I am going to do is do a time lapse so y'all could see this in a speeded up motion, because it's gonna just take a long periodically time. I am going to go ahead and do everything that I need to do to make this hair silky bone straight. So it is 180 density percent worth of hair, so that means this wig is really thick. I love the texture of this hair. It is pretty much like a Brazilian type texture, but it just feels different. It doesn't feel like the norm, or maybe because I haven't worn a wig excuse me, worn a wig in like forever, but girl, it just feels real nice. So right now I'm gonna go in and flatten the top. I'm using this Fantasia liquid mousse spritz. Girl, it gets the job done. It really does get the job done. It helps to lay the hair really flat, and this is like an alternative to using my Sebastian. I love how flat it gets the hair, and it doesn't leave a weird white residue. Sometimes the Sebastian does that, and I have to cancel it out or make it go away by using oil. But I've been using this mousse for a long time, as you can see, and I love it. So whenever I'm not using Sebastian, I'm using that mousse. I am gonna go ahead and plug in my flat iron because girl, it's so much hair stuff plugged in right now. And the flat iron that I'll be using, the name has officially came off, but it's the Ion, sorry, not Ion, Babyliss Titanium Pro. It's usually right here. It's gone, so you could get it from Sally's. And yeah, so let's just jump into the straightening portion. As I said, I was gonna straighten. I just got my flat iron turned on, and it goes up to 450, which is the highest degree that I'm gonna use. Then I'm using Reza. This product was or is sold in Sally's. I'm not sure if it is anymore, but I'm just using that much oil to rub through the hair. The oil is very thick, so I just try my best to, you know, use as little as possible and just use it all in one go because girl, this hair is very thick. I don't want to weigh it down too much, but I also want the hairs to be like very uniform. So that's that on that. And oh yeah, I incorporated something new that I haven't done like before on my channel, and that's like lace tinting, correcting, or like show y'all how I tint my lace. So in a little piece of that time lapse, if you watched it all, you'd notice that what I did was I took a little Morphe eyeshadow blending brush, and I got my Milani cream to powder foundation, which I got from Walmart. It's really cheap, in my skin tone, and that's what I use to color correct the lace. I love doing that method. I swear by doing that method. That's something I don't really have to do because I tint thoroughly, but I'm guessing because I cut the lace on camera, I didn't get a few pieces of lace, or I had excess lace left on, so I didn't cut it off right, or I wasn't aware that it was still on, and so it kind of threw me off. But what I did was just cut the lace off some more that I didn't need, and I colored the excess lace by just using, I don't know what this called, y'all. I don't know what this called, but I used a spinning motion and I did that thing, okay? And the lace went from the transparent color that it usually is to my skin tone. Right now, I'm just running the flat iron through so I could get every single piece and bit of hair on this wig nice and flat and even and silky straight. As y'all could see, the hair does get like nice and bone straight. It barely has any flyaways. Beauty Forever, y'all did that. And it is about 24 inches long. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna just stand up a little so I can show y'all what it looks like and where it reaches on me. But yeah, I've never really shown lace tinting or correcting, so I'm pretty sure that that would have been like a nice tip for y'all to save, because that's what a lot of these celebrity stylists do. They don't be, well, some of them who have hella clients go the extra mile as to use that tint spray and try to tint it. But I swear by Arrogant A, and his lace on his people be flawless. And sometimes when y'all be watching his lives, or I be watching his lives at least, I see where he just goes in with some foundation. It's usually like in a palette or something, and he just gets like a brush that looks like this and just brushes the foundation on. And that's just what I live by. That's what I follow, because y'all know he the hair goat. So I mean, if he's doing it right there on camera, I'm pretty sure that's what he does in real life as per usual for every other client. So I feel like that's just a really important step or part to getting your lace nice and to the color of your skin tone blended into your skin to give you that flawless finish. And I don't know if it bothers some of you guys that I don't section my hair or start from the bottom and work my way up to the top. I just do how I do, y'all, and it just get the job done. It be getting straight and to the point. So I'm sorry if this makes you cringe, but I just know what hair I've straightened and what I haven't. And it's a lot of hair too, so cut me some slack, y'all. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and speed up the rest of the straightening because it's nothing left for me to talk about. I mean, I could talk about this hair. It's real nice, y'all. If you want to get some straight hair with some nice transparent lace, this is the way to go. Beauty Forever has one of the best lace I've used since 2017 to now. I've been working with them since 2017. It's been like 4 years or 3 years. It's been good, y'all. So check out the links in the bio if you'd like to purchase this unit or any other unit from them. I love all their hair textures. Straight and body wave from them are my fave. And yeah, I think I'm done, so I'm gonna just go ahead and unravel this. Okay, I didn't have to cut it, so that's good. Just lifted it over my head. You know, common sense be common with me, y'all. It be real common and coming in handy. But yeah, this is how far it reaches on me. So it's by my waist pretty much. And I love this wig, I really do. I enjoyed working with it. The texture is everything for me. And yeah, again, if you'd like to purchase this unit or any other wig on their website, the links will all be in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one.